Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician, and I am normally on this app talking to parents and caregivers about safe car seat and booster seat use. But tonight, my target audience is a little different. If you work in a setting where you are discharging newborn babies from your facility, so maybe labor and delivery, maternity unit, NICU, birthing centers, I want to talk to you today. It is my hope that by sharing this information with you, that you will learn something new for your own professional knowledge, and that you will share this information with others in your profession so that I don't hear quite so many horror stories in my profession. What I'd like to tell you about today is using a convertible or all-in-one car seat for a newborn baby. There are 3 big things I want you to know here. Number 1, it is legal and safe in all 50 states and all Canadian provinces for a newborn baby to use a convertible or all-in-one car seat instead of the infant carrier seat. As long as the baby meets the weight and height minimums for the seat, gets a proper harness fit, and the car seat is properly installed at the correct recline for a newborn in the car, that is perfectly safe and legal. Number 2 is that if you have a newborn who requires what's called a car seat test or an angle tolerance test, where baby has to get strapped into the car seat and monitored to make sure that they can maintain their oxygen and breathing, yes, that can still be done in a convertible or all-in-one car seat. As long as baby gets a proper fit and you've got that seat set up at the proper angle, yes, you can still do that testing in that type of seat. And number 3 is that if you're working with a family who has chosen that convertible or all-in-one car seat for their newborn, please do not make them uninstall that seat and bring it up to the hospital room just so that you can satisfy your hospital policy of seeing that they have a car seat. You can send a staff member out to the vehicle with a parent or caregiver to verify that they do have the seat, but please do not make them uninstall it and haul it up to the hospital room. The only exception to that would obviously be if the baby did need to do that angle tolerance test in that seat. But I have heard stories of families being asked to do that. I've even heard a story at this point of a family being required to carry their newborn out of the hospital in that big, heavy 25, 30-pound car seat. That is not okay. That's honestly a really big safety issue that people are being asked to do that, because that big heavy seat can be dropped. There's just so much liability there that you don't want to take on. Just send somebody out to see it, please. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for listening. Please share the knowledge with others in your profession. And if your facility or hospital or birthing center does not already have some folks certified as child passenger safety technicians, I would strongly recommend that. You can visit cert.safekids.org and click Become a Tech to learn more about the process and to search for a training in your area. Thank you so much for all you do for birthing and postpartum families. I really hope this information helps somebody out today. I am happy to answer any questions that you have. Please hit my comments.